pressure on the players already. They don't need extra pressure to say. Because, look, I'm telling you, all the players, none of them want to go there and lose the game. And for him to talk about Ghana players against Niger, even some of the Niger players cannot be in his team. Come on. Who is Niger? They have good squad. They have a lot of players from Ghana. You understand? They have good players. And now we don't play football with name anymore. You understand? We don't play with name anymore. Every team is coming to perform. Every team is coming to make sure that they will give you a hard time. So you need to prepare yourself as a team in Yama. You understand? Yeah. And for me, like a lot of things are like, they can say like it's not cool that we do. So you cannot talk, say, Niger, we play against Niger. And Yentimin Shomu, and you see players laughing. Players, come on, don't talk like that. Nigeria, they have players too. They are coming to win. They are not just coming there to take part. They are coming there to win. Sometimes, if you're a football person and you love football, you don't talk that way. You understand? Because football is a day. Sometimes, even when you're a footballer, as a human being, sometimes you go to your office and as you're in your working place in the corner, you don't have a good day. You understand? So it's how we spoke to the players, how now I've been doing like confidence a bit more, any words of encouragement a bit more. With this kind of things, you don't need you GFA president to come and talk. Stephen Appiah is there. You can invite Stephen Appiah to go and talk to the players. We have a lot of former players there. They can do this, and they know the tone they can use for the players. But you going there, standing there, ball a bida, player, you do too much to me, I won't remember. So for me, sometimes far players in Kasasa. Now this is their time. These players right now, fans say they will say Mark produce in Bobium, and as I produce his own Bobium, man. Why not bet me to replace Kudus right now? We need to build this team well. We need to build this team really, really well. Then we can expect results. But yet, all the time, you can win. Now, we don't even have a pitch to play a game on. Kasa. Why didn't players are near the sports? You understand? So for me, that speech, it's like you are selling your team. You are selling the players for the public to know. Say like, me as a president, my friend Dio, we know Makasa. I've told them what I'm supposed to tell them. And no, we don't do these things like that. Ubakwa only know fear now. Yeah, or your mistake. I won't find him abonting for. Open now see any ye. Kaka na ye. You understand? Yeah. So for me, me feel like there's a lot of things that we need to change there. You're a new coach. Otuado is a young coach. You're a new players, young players. So it will take time. It will take time. Things will go wrong before it get better. It's a football. Football is a team sport. An individual sport. Yeah, so we need players, we need coaches, technical info can help Otuado Nyama. You understand? Yeah, so for me, me feel like there's a lot of like coaches there. They can help Otuado. You understand? We have Tampo there, we have Master Fonedu, we have Lichtenstein, we have Michael Osei. All these coaches, they are there. They are doing really, really well. They have badges. They have records. They've been with the national team for so long as a coaching. But for me, when you say a player, they have a board and to be a coach. Not not every student can be a teacher. You understand? Because there's times like this, you need ideas people who can help Otuado. But I share a bench, one all. So for me, there's a lot of things that we have to do it right. The beer over they are blaming players. Player you Lucy, you draw any Niger as a president. Now, who player laughing, player is smiling. Come on.
Oh, okay. Well, so say your last 3 games, Black Stars ain't me winning match against Angola, Niger, and then Sudan. Who sending you down to there?
Sudan, look, I was saying interest Sudan records since Kwesi Appiah take over the team, how they are playing. Football, is a teamwork. It's not individual sport. Yeah, they are playing very, very well, and yet because of us, they have done well. No, they are playing well already. Sudan team now. So in these kind of games, I want to player yes na like look players no tension pressure because of some games are winning here. So you don't have to come and add up. You don't have to come and add up. Maybe can I say your national team right now? I say everything has to build from the scratch. Lai was there. He was coaching very well in the young team. Lai dropped some players. People from the FA.
Sompa Sports.
People from the FA call Lai, ask Lai who dare him to drop those players. As a coach, we're dropping a player. Who friends how dare him to drop a player? All the time they want their players to be in the squad. Nyama. We know all this.
Sports.
We know all this. So my mom now like they are talking now. Who you player for what? Me the speech me say like it's not cool. It's not cool. It's not cool. You can see the players body language how the man is talking to them. What you say? Obia or bad day when you Obia or bad day when you life. Those games are winning, say, and he say, you're winning matches now, Mazi, and share that. Now, some go like share the pressure. Bye. Football is a three things a game. We draw, lose, and win. At the end of the day, you get one. Because we are Ghanaians, we have to win every game. No, I was saying who say a game now say, I was saying, how can we do it well? How can we bring people together to do it well? We need to be honest. We need to trust each other. But in this case, those trust is not there. Those trust is not there. And so for me, if it's a game, we can say game, you power outside before you competition. So, if I want to mean so, now competition say, who now won't prepare any no.
Okay. So hammer on a year before the game video about Bonti who said the GFA president any players na kasa. I say a man for being diverse opinion I mean more time and say okay. Janami Bisane say I say hammer on Diana F president said your kind of fast on a place na kasa before the game. More time no say a banse be ball matches at twice a series of games. Now results in the mass the team in the entire country epena bibi atesa ekoso pena sa koso sa no so more as players no sen na musifano
me feel that nantechi time nantechi remember dress of we share good luck now for the baby what was that the no we share good luck like I said the whole Ghana is supporting us, the whole Ghana is watching us, we wish us good luck now for the baby member kasati say born wa bobida. Don't do that. Man, yes, sir. Don't put pressure on the players like that. But every time, sometimes we are. No, me person like sometimes compare your time this time. Yeah, time now, time no. Says one more time in here.
yes
One more time no. So what we can do is like all of us have to come together and support them. Whatever we can do to support them, no. One more time, there's nothing we can do again. One more time,
some passports.
No matter what you do, one more time, no won't mean you also. So it was a but we should not add pressure. Pressure what that I had the up account.
Okay.
Okay. So for me, me feels like there's some things we need to do right. Yemboa players no, yemboa coach no, yenya time bomb no grow as a team.
Okay. Sir, a friend one joining us still live on Sompa TV, live on Sompa Facebook, and I feel live on Sompa 93.1 FM. Sompa Kransan Swafa. Yene Derek Ayabuate former midfielder my Black Stars Neguswa. Yedin Kumo Derek minim your Ghanaians nibi onso abi mo feel say players in the ball in the modern ball or modern respective clubs no so about down to the national team and yes I'm modern bono and yehu ufu say bia omo yoma famu de and I say omo nye enough emma the national team.
No, as when we say that omo nye enough for the national team, we are not being fair. The team qualified to the World Cup, us 2022, right? The same players in the same team, they qualified to the World Cup. And it's about like how we can manage the team and support them. But time, yeah, Ushemi group no side no. Yeah, we come from Ghana, like bought Ghana league in Kakravin, so like Nanti Ghana, like go struggle more Ghana. But right now, Ushe team no more players. How many players over catching themselves more Ghana league in like and as more go lot of struggles like Sena fair mono. So you might find compare more. You understand? But well, time they couple of that Ghana like time and we have a lot of players are like they don't even know the cost of Ghana. Once are the internal. The cost of Ghana are like people take our game very serious. Once are they we don't have a lot of them like that. Until like and then how we talk to them, how we let them know Senegal City, how people put their heart to the game. Once are they me who say like yes sir. Sports. Talking to them it looks like we're being arrogant. You understand?
Okay.
But players no more no. Trust me, they want to win games. One person will win it. They know none of the players is there. How person can say more win it. No. But I might find compare mo. The time different. Actually, we are not the same players. We don't have the same. Never be changing. I'm a scout right now. Not saying I'm a ball now. I don't even recognize the game anymore.
Yes.
There's so many changes in the game right now. Once are they so let's help them. Let them grow. Once are they, we'll get there. We'll get to our peak. We'll get to our time. What talk, but we need to take time. We need to take step by step. Every game as a time. Nyama. Once are they Now interesting but for us, no, me feel say like we have a long way to go. A long way to go. No, I was saying to a bossy. Now if I get it to our level.
Okay. Well, Derek, Ebeda CP for time far away from Ghana yet. I won't find it time in early morning. See that CP Brepem. Yabesa bound champion.
Thank you.
All right, so on Zoom, Yanni Derek Boatin former midfielder and a co Homano Sukodin Komo far away from Ghana, US and in Portameho, and now Owaye Dinkomo Eddie every year. But Sunimum, Mamma Ghana for them so real quick now from Monchacha Madra for India. Debbie Demamu, Yababa Sunia Sunday stories no more. A day about 0551931931 0548931931 Ghana for and so Esha Bonnie and as I say. Yen last 3 matches, yen far win. And Chesama chances kwa bibi. Di kama me, ayo to enro after the game to say, Sadana e kase bi abet mi ashe ye boss ye next game no, ayo ko wini no yenya na what if say bi ade kra be chen na nyankopon ba be frene eno so e enti want me nshabo yenche coach Otuado.
I cannot even. God will take me tomorrow. This assurance, what everybody's talking about, is why? For what? For this is football. I cannot even assure. Maybe God will take me tomorrow. I'm dead. What can I assure? We will try our best, and I know that at the end we'll be rewarded. And the positive thing is, what I want to tell you, all of you, it's still in our own hands. We have to win the next game. That's all. We have to win the next game, and then still, we are not qualified then. Then it's still a long way. You know, it's going to be very, very tough to the last match, I think.
And to some bizarre say, obet me a show Ghanaian and say, Yabaka Sudan. And so we are no air reply to my own to me, I'm sure, because a big crana, Yakasano Chana, Yame friend and so and jail, Chani and no HS and somebody to the wall. Young Coswa Ghana for, but hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, or be your first work as a friend.
Let's show a free Chibai because a free.
What you Bible yet you?
We say, you play a scene if you come on Munina, or maybe look up this now, but you say, Momunia, no Moniade. Yeah, you don't need the for Mammy, Mamma scanning in a ashy. And they requested on Kota, what is a Mamma scanning in a ashy. And they won't come on for local players anymore. You say local players near Bonia Kuma, but actually, Yankaka.
Oh, yeah, I say quick. Hello, caller.
Hello, Fancy. Good morning.
Penny Josu yet you. Mr. Mentio, who TV set to lower the volume, Mr. Adaroma. Yentio.
Fancy, good morning.
Major so bra penny and quay.
Because I feel at Achima to many, they're watching yard.
Oh, okay.
Every president has some of the kind of one yard the crowd because I said you were in the mobility. Prayers, they will be amateur. Oh, it's only. Inaki, now and my papa can also call a message to me.
Oh, yeah, I see so bye. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, or penny your first work as a free.
Your friend is Sujama, because a free Amantia.
Oh, Sujama, yet you.
Amantia. Manaka come to a cinema. Yeah, every president when I am from so. I'm a little the same thing. I will come and look for dressing room. You know, there's some Bobo Magana. Ibaria. Woman, you see us on Bobo. Woman, you're free. Woman, take an afro. Woman, also than what take as a player, to be more legal.
Oh.
Woman, you say, I cut an worship plan with the Catalan Unim. Players no more, you know, Unim. Woman, players to be free. Woman, Wagala follow.
Okay.
You'll be a young Sudan. You ever qualify, I'm going to ever qualify. Canada say, you will how many points? Master, players no more Diagro. What would you watch now? You will no, I need a ball until I'm coming on a car, Mona and Omo is out with Sapia Baby Mawaha. It's almost said I can't a car for Ban Ghana. I'm a mobile telephone and I have one catching with you.
Oh, okay. Mate, yeah, say before back a crack, I am quite nigh and foul for hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Didn't be a free.
Good morning. Fancy me Solomon. Fancy Sola Savannah.
What solar yet your solo?
Fancy and then in fact, minute batch 100%. What transpired before the call was so irritating. You don't just speak to professional players. At least off the camera is better. But you want to make it say you the president, you've done your part. What black the coach is going to do? So my money here. Ghana, your group of Angola, Niger, Sudan, Ghana, even less than 3 points. It's very bad. Look at the grassroots football, very bad. We have to play where we can have a friend, but the grassroots is very bad. That is working.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Opening yet you.
Yes, I'm Wahab.
What happened to you?
Inside this, and they say, you big have the book for a big book. But what do first any idea for the same? If you put your big number on big class, what no, Rebecca, you go ahead of I good enough. You need a big coach. Good. Thank you.
Mate, you're about 2 more now, Fay and Fancy. Hello, caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Open and Frost August every. Yet you.
Let me say, Uncle,
Mate, yeah, I say 1 more now for you. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning, yet you.
Good morning.
Open here for August every.
Oh,
okay. Yet you opening. Hello, Kola.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Man, so many into you quick. Oh, okay. Wo mate yenso da sentia no eno no say ani braba partim ne egu yahwe ya abekwa kwa bibio yentimi nhye ne gensha Angola antimi anhye eye Sudan enti yabekwa akobɔ return leg enso ewa away eno no yabeba 9:30 ye ba ye the foreign more ebeba ne aba behwem bisa wa nya abotra mfa ma